Meditation is a mental practice that has been around for thousands of years and is becoming increasingly popular in today's society. It is a technique that allows individuals to focus their minds and achieve a state of relaxation and calmness. Meditation can be practiced in many forms, including mindfulness meditation, mantra meditation, and guided meditation. Meditation has numerous benefits for both the mind and body. Here are some of the reasons why meditation is so important. Reduces stress. Meditation has been shown to decrease stress levels in the body. When we meditate, our bodies release stress hormones, such as cortisol and adrenaline, which can cause physical and emotional stress. Regular meditation can help lower these stress hormones and promote a sense of relaxation and calmness. Improves concentration. Meditation helps us focus our minds and increase our ability to concentrate. Regular practice can lead to improved cognitive abilities and better decision-making skills. Enhances emotional well-being. Meditation has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. It helps us gain a deeper understanding of our emotions and allows us to better regulate them. Boosts immune system. Meditation has been linked to an increase in the production of antibodies, which can help boost the immune system. This can help the body fight off illnesses and diseases. Lowers blood pressure. Regular meditation can help lower blood pressure in people with hypertension. This can help reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Improves sleep. Meditation can help us fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. It can also improve the quality of our sleep, leading to better overall health and well-being. Increases self-awareness. Meditation can help us become more self-aware and gain a deeper understanding of our thoughts and feelings. This can help us make better choices in our personal and professional lives. Promotes inner peace. Meditation promotes a sense of inner peace and tranquility. It helps us connect with our inner selves and develop a deeper sense of compassion and empathy for others. In conclusion, meditation is a powerful tool that can help us achieve physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By incorporating regular meditation into our daily lives, we can experience numerous benefits that can improve our overall quality of life.